Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Apple Magic Mouse 2. So let's do it. Yeah, Apple Magic Mouse. This is the Apple Magic Mouse 2 unboxed. And here we have this Apple Magic Mouse, as you can see, and this Magic Mouse is let's see what's the magic that this can do. The backside does not have rather any battery outlet now. It has one port through which we can charge this mouse. It has an LED indicator here and on-off switch beside the LED indicator. So let's just test this thing out with our computer. Apart from that, we have certain stuff inside the casing as well. So what we have got here, we have Magic Mouse 2 manual, and then we have lightning cable. We'll switch it on here. There is no button here, so you don't know if it is switched on or connected or other stuff, but let's just try to connect it. So I can swipe between two maximized applications using my two fingers here, like this, and that's cool, yeah. What you can do with the trackpad, you can do with this mouse. The only thing is that you need quite a balanced surface, okay? If you get a grip, if you get a firm grip, then you can use this double fingers very well, and that is cool. And here also, if you can, the single click is for back, previous and back, and double one is for the application itself. Then we have a single scroll, that is natural scroll. We can double tap to go to mission control from double finger, but then from single finger I can double tap for maximization. This is lighter in the sense that this doesn't have the bigger batteries that we need to put during Magic Mouse 1, but this is Magic Mouse 2, so it's kind of cool. And we have the other side quite balanced. These two provide frictionless kind of surface, and this is very smooth while maneuvering on your desk. We have this LED indicator, powerful button here. This we need for charging. So when you use this, when you charge this, you cannot use this, okay? But when you charge this, for 2 minutes of charging, you get 9 hours of work time, that's great. And for that 2 minutes, let's say I'm charging it fully, it takes around 2 hours to charge, and that 2 hours will continue for a whole month. And continuing for a whole month is kind of great for this mouse, and we need not change buttons, so overall, this is really a cool mouse, I must say.